wanted to show a problem I've been working on today. Some unusual behavior by the data grid view. I'm going to show what I'm trying to do here. I'm going to go back to the designer here, and we have a very basic screen of the data grid view here. I've created a binding source. I've set the data source of the binding source to a type that I generated from a LinQ to SQL query here, and it just has three properties: ID, name, and description. I want to hide the ID, obviously. I just want to show the name and description. I did that in the designer, and all is well. Now I go in here, and when this loads, I'm just going to create a new supplier, set the name and description, and add it to the binding source. And what happens is that the data grid view, for some reason, sets the visibility of the column, of the ID column, back to true. See? And that is not what I want. And it took me a while to figure this out, and just to prove my point here, I'll put these breakpoints in here, and this is where it happens. It happens when you add it. So I'm at my first breakpoint here. I can drill down into this data grid view, go to my columns, go to items. Item 0 is my ID. Go to the base and look at the visibility, and it's set to false. And I actually have that already right here. It's saying something weird about evaluation, but there it is. Okay, it's false, right? Now I'm going to continue, and then it's going to stop after the add. Right, now it asks for a reevaluation, and click on that. Now it's true. So a quick trip over to MSDN land reveals this little nugget under the remarks section. To hide a column that is automatically generated when binding to a data source, set this property in the data binding complete event handler. So it's something to do with the fact that that's an auto incremented column. So what I got to do is go into the data grid view, go to my events, look up data binding complete, add a new event, and then set the visibility here to false. And that works. So unusual behavior tucked away in the remarks section. At least it was documented.